Today we'll talk about how to turn off salary updates notifications on your Glassdoor app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on account settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on push and email notifications. Then you click here on edit email settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here, just waiting to open with you here in this list. So then all you have to do, when it's going to open with you, click here on salaries here, and you come here to salary updates. Click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's on, that means salary updates notifications on off with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.